I gathered a list of the top 3 exercises for every single muscle.
The hidden mistakes that make you gain belly fat even if you work out. Chapter 1. The frustration. You work out, you sweat, you lift, you run, you track your steps, yet your belly doesn't shrink. Maybe it even grows slightly. And the most confusing part, the rest of your body looks fine. Your arms tighten, your legs get stronger, but your midsection stays soft. This is where most people assume one thing: I'm not trying hard enough. But effort is rarely the real problem. The problem is hidden, and it's usually happening outside the gym. Chapter 2. Mistake Hack 1. You're training hard but stressing harder. Exercise is a stressor, a good one, but still stress. Now add work deadlines, poor sleep, financial pressure, constant phone notifications, mental overload. Your body doesn't separate emotional stress from physical stress. It releases cortisol either way. Cortisol isn't bad, it helps you perform, but chronically elevated cortisol does something specific. It encourages fat storage around the abdomen. Why? Because abdominal fat cells have a high density of cortisol receptors. From an evolutionary perspective, belly fat was protection. Quick access energy during prolonged stress. So when you train intensely, sleep poorly, worry constantly, skip recovery, your body interprets that as survival pressure. And survival mode prioritizes energy storage, especially around the midsection. You may be burning calories in the gym, but your hormonal environment outside the gym is signaling storage. Chapter 3. Mistake Hashtag 2. You undereat during the day, overeat at night. This pattern is extremely common. Busy morning, light lunch, coffee instead of food, minimal calories during the day. Then night arrives. Hunger spikes, cravings intensify, control weakens. You eat quickly, you eat more than planned, often high carb, high fat foods. Here's what happens physiologically. Your body experiences energy scarcity all day. Cortisol rises, blood sugar fluctuates, metabolism slows slightly to conserve. Then at night, large calorie load, insulin spikes, body prioritizes storage. Late night eating also reduces insulin sensitivity compared to earlier in the day, which means your body is slightly more prone to store rather than burn. It's not just what you eat, it's when and how your body receives it. Chapter 4. Mistake Hashtag 3. You think cardio melts belly fat. Many people try to out-cardio their belly. Long treadmill sessions, high-intensity intervals daily, endless sweating. Cardio burns calories, but it does not target fat location. Spot reduction is a myth. Belly fat loss depends largely on overall energy balance, hormonal state, stress levels, sleep quality. Excessive cardio without proper recovery can also elevate cortisol further, which may ironically make abdominal fat more stubborn. More is not always better. Sometimes smarter is better. Chapter 5. Mistake Hash 4. You're sitting more than you realize. You train 1 hour, but you sit 8 to 10. Prolonged sitting reduces glute activation, insulin sensitivity, daily energy expended. When muscles stay inactive for long periods, glucose uptake efficiency decreases. That means more circulating energy in the bloodstream, which can increase fat storage over time. The gym cannot fully compensate for chronic inactivity. Movement throughout the day matters. Your metabolism responds to frequency, not just intensity. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're not genetically doomed, but you may be stacking small mistakes. High stress, poor sleep, erratic eating, excess cardio, too much sitting. Individually, they seem harmless. Together, they create the perfect environment for belly fat to stay. And the frustrating part, you can still look fit while this happens, which makes it even more confusing. Chapter 6. Mistake Hack 5. You're not sleeping enough. Sleep is not passive. It is metabolic regulation. When you sleep 5-6 hours instead of 7-9, cortisol stays elevated. Ghrelin increases. Leptin decreases. Insulin sensitivity drops. That combination is dangerous. You feel hungrier. You crave faster digesting carbs. Your body handles sugar less efficiently, and fat storage becomes easier, especially centrally. Research consistently shows short sleep duration is strongly linked with increased abdominal fat accumulation. Not because sleep burns fat, but because sleep controls the hormonal environment that determines where fat goes. You can train perfectly, but if you sleep poorly, your body behaves defensively, and defensive bodies store. Chapter 7. Mistake Hack 6. Liquid calories you don't count. Coffee drinks, fruit juices, smoothies, energy drinks, healthy protein shakes, weekend alcohol. Liquid calories bypass many natural satiety signals. You don't chew them, you don't feel as full, you don't compensate later. A 300-calorie drink feels like nothing, but over a week, that's over 2,000 extra calories. Now add alcohol. Alcohol temporarily shuts down fat oxidation. Your body prioritizes metabolizing alcohol first. Fat burning pauses. Storage likelihood increases. Alcohol also lowers inhibition, which usually means more late-night food. Liquid calories are silent contributors. They don't feel heavy, but they accumulate quietly. Chapter 8. Mistake Hack 7. The weekend reset illusion. Many people are disciplined Monday to Friday. Saturday. Clean meals, gym sessions, structured routine. Then the weekend arrives. Late nights, alcohol, restaurant meals, large portions, irregular sleep. By Sunday night, the weekly calorie deficit is erased. But the body doesn't just look at weekly math. It responds to hormonal spikes. 2 days of high sodium, high sugar, high alcohol, low sleep can elevate cortisol and water retention, especially around the abdomen. So by Monday, your stomach looks even softer, and psychologically, that leads to frustration, which often leads to harder dieting, which restarts the stress cycle. Consistency beats intensity. Chapter 9, mistake #8, you're e-training abs, not fixing the system. More crunches, more planks, more ab circuits. But belly fat isn't an abdominal weakness issue, it's a systemic issue. You can have strong abs under a layer of fat. Fat loss is hormonal and metabolic, not local. If stress remains high, sleep remains low, calories remain inconsistent, movement outside the gym remains minimal, no amount of direct ab work will flatten the stomach. Abs are revealed in the kitchen, maintained by sleep, protected by stress management. Core training improves posture and strength, but fat loss requires systemic correction. Chapter 10, the correction framework. If belly fat is stubborn, don't ask, how do I burn more? Ask, what is signaling my body to store? Here's the reset framework. 1. Stabilize sleep first. 7, 9 hours. Consistent bedtime, lower screen exposure at night, better sleep next, better insulin sensitivity, better fat regulation. 2. Balance daytime eating. Don't starve all day, eat protein-rich meals earlier. Avoid massive nighttime surges. Steady blood sugar reduces cortisol spikes. 3. Reduce chronic stress. Walking, breathing drills, lower caffeine, deload training when needed. Fat loss is easier in a calm body. 4. Increase daily movement, not more gym, more steps, more standing, more micro movements. Your metabolism prefers frequency. 5. Moderate alcohol and liquid calories, not eliminate, control. Small, consistent improvements beat extreme restriction. Final chapter, the real truth. Belly fat is rarely about laziness, it's about mismatch. Mismatch between stress and recovery, effort and sleep, restriction and binge, training and daily movement. You don't need more punishment, you need better alignment. Because when your environment signals safety and balance, your body stops defending energy, and when it stops defending energy, fat loss becomes possible. Final line, you can't out-train chaos. Fix the lifestyle outside the gym, and your body will finally respond inside it.